Happening, people?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we're back again with another new video.
Guys, this is a new one, new invention.
New to Scotch bonnet Katsu Curry. We've added the Caribbean flavour to your traditional Katsu Curry.
You'll never see Katsu Curry like this before.
Trust me.
It's a very known dish around the world. One of our personal favourites, and a lot of you guys' favourites as well. But guys, this is a flavoured up version.
I've seen a few Katsu Curries here, they don't season the chicken. It's mad, so I was impressed, man. So I thought, you know what, this one, we're gonna season up the ting.
Jeez.
Make it spicy, make it flavourful, and make it tasty.
So enjoy the recipe. This will be a great recipe at home. Very, very easy, very simple. So yeah guys, subscribe, like, share and tell a friend. Yeah guys, subscribe. Let us know what you want to see, man.
Yeah, man. Peace.
Take care.